What's up, guys? Today I'm changing the oil on my e90 BMW 335i using some high mileage Mobil 1 530. That's the oil filter I'm using. This car is lowered, so I put it on ramp so I can get a jack under it. Next, get up under the car with it supported by jack stands. Just get it up enough so, or if you have ramps, get it high enough. To get this guy off, there's a little key. Loosen it, 17 millimeter. Oil catch tray, loosen, drain. Let her drain till there's none left. Be patient. Pop the hood. Use a special wrench for that. Get that off. That's the tool. Goes right on there. 3/8 socket. Loosen. Once it's loose, just lift straight up. Filter comes with it. Get it into a pan. That's my nasty old pan. There's an O-ring right there. There's a little one on the end. And then there's a new crush washer for your oil drain bolt. Replace all the, got my new O-rings. You gotta lube them up with some oil so they won't catch as you're tightening it. Just push the filter on to the mechanism. There is no top or bottom. Put it back in and tighten. Get a magnet to find your bolt so you don't have to stick your hand down in that mess. If the washer isn't on the bolt, it may be stuck to the oil pan. Make sure you get it before you put the new one on. I'm going to go ahead and slide my new crush washer on. And either the old one's in the bottom of the pan or it's stuck to the oil pan. You have to be cautious of that. You don't want to. You drain it, do not put the cap on the bottom. Just put the bolt in because you want to fill it and check for leaks. Make sure you have your bolt tightened good enough. You should use the torque specs of the manufacturer. Fill her up. Next, you want to check your oil level. Hit this little dial here until you get to the oil one. Push the button on the end to select. Right now it says I'm at max, so it's almost 7 quarts you need to put in there. Make sure you run it for a few minutes before you check it, and this will show up. Thanks for watching.